I'm David Beadle. Here's what's happening from RateAlertNow.com. 30-year mortgage rates moved higher for the second day in a row after first-time claims for weekly state unemployment benefits only rose by 1,000 in the final week of last year. Good news about the economy is usually bad news for those hoping for lower mortgage rates. The national average 30-year fixed-rate mortgage is now at 5% with 2 points, up 1/8 of a point from Wednesday, for an extra cost of $125 on a $100,000 loan. The 5.25% rate is now at half of 1 point, also up 1/8 of a point from Wednesday. Remember, 1 point is worth 1% of the loan amount. This means 1 point is $1,000 on a $100,000 loan and $2,000 on a $200,000 loan. When it comes to a 2-point loan, that represents 2% of the loan amount. This means 2 points is $2,000 on a $100,000 loan and $4,000 on a $200,000 loan. The national average 15-year fixed-rate mortgage was up as well, with the 4 3/8% rate now at 1 5/8 points, up 1/8 of a point from Wednesday. The 4 5/8% rate was up 1/8 of a point to half of 1 point. In order for you to know when to lock your floating fixed-rate mortgage, you have to have an early warning system on changes in current rates and points before they occur throughout every business day. That's where my Rate Alert Now service becomes essential to your rate lock strategy. I'll tell you via regular email and or mobile text messaging when current rates are about to go up, and if you act quickly, you may be able to reach your local mortgage originator by phone to lock your rate before the mortgage company becomes aware of what's going on and changes its rates. The cost of my service is less than $1 a day. As mentioned, jobless claims were only slightly higher when Wall Street analysts had expected a more sizable increase. On Friday, we will see the December employment report. While the national jobless rate is expected to hold steady, there is considerable debate about how many or how few jobs may have been lost or added as 2009 came to an end. That's what's happening. I'm David Beadle. For full details on my real-time mortgage rate alert service to help you beat the system, visit RateAlertNow.com and check back here on Friday morning for my next free mortgage rate update.